Hi guys and welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to reset Facebook password. To start, open your Facebook application in your mobile device. In here, select Login. First, input your mobile number or email address, bind it to your Facebook, then select Forgot Password. In here, you will need to input your mobile number, bind it to your Facebook account once again, then select Find Account. Then the next step is to input the email address, bind it to your Facebook once again. Then select Find Account. Once you are now here, you can select Continue or select Try Another Way. In here, you can choose to get a code via link on your SMS or a link via email. Wait for Facebook to send you a code this time, and then input the code. Once done, select Continue. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.